You know, I didn't get the give you a close. Whoa! Beep beep beep. Paper drive like that. Well, baby, you're on it. You know, paper drive like that. He's gonna get taxi. Beep. Yeah. Holy smokes! What is that? Ah, you got another cut off. Beep. You don't get out of the streets. Beep. Hey! You know what? If somebody would cut you up like that, you just didn't get out of your car. Well, when you hung at me, I did get out of my car. Jerk. I don't know. Beep. Beep. Whoa! I posted went on a stop sign. And there's the second person. Holy fudge. Oh, holy fudge. What the MOG was that? Not passing, people! Not passing! Really? Really? I got you on camera. I got you on camera. Get the oil cut me off. The green car. Bad driver. That's an awesome car. Yeah, I like that red car. What the MOG? He just cut me off. Yeah, it did. He just cut me off. Yes, he did. I'm calling the cops because he's not cool. Do it. We just have a car cut off and he's taken off. Look at his face. I cannot see his face. Go now. We just lost him. He's made supposed to. Beep beep beep. Move beep. Go. You want a lane. Beep. Why do people do that stuff? I say no, 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 no. I say no, 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 no. Beep. Beep. Oh, no money. Ah! No. Beep. That's indications. Don't you have school? OMG. Oh my gosh. Look at that butt. Not that butt. This butt. That was a really good cut off. Hey. This is the tail of a driver. Holy smokes!
Holy chicken.
In the hallways today, I actually in the hallway in school, and after lunchtime, I was running away because someone's being mean to me at lunch. Who? I forgot his name. I forgot his name, but he's a special person. I won't say names, but I was trying to get away from him. I saw two people, like two girls, look at me so strange. Yeah, and I realized I was not right. I think I should apologize, but I didn't do anything wrong. They did. Okay. And so I just I was going in the turn lane. People cut me off, so I go run away. But the people are chasing me. Do you know their names? Yes, I know their names. I can make a report. One of the name was Dora McCows, and Her name is Bow's Good Power. Okay. Jeez. And after I go back to the room, and I'm just wondering, it's like, God, beep. What's going on? And I'm back to my story that they're so mad at me. I made a mistake. Who? I said, beep. Okay, somebody's pissing me off. And then later that day, they laugh at me. It's called teasing. Laughing at me. Beep! Hold on a minute, I gotta get out of my car. Like, can you just stop? Can you make it stop? Can you just stop? Right now. Hey, you need to get out of my brain. Leave us alone. No, you cut us out. How does this done? No. What? We didn't cut us off. Hey, don't worry. I got you on camera. You know that? You know that? Get out of here. I can't finish my story. I don't want to hear your garbage story. No, I got this whole thing on camera, so I'm not going to police report you guys. Good power, huh? No. I'm so rich I didn't even pay you. No. Come down, dude. Come down, dude. Hey. Stop. Okay. I want to get on my field. Oh my God. Oh. Calm down. Hey. Stop it. Okay. Just calm down. Holy fudge. Gosh. Beep. Fake this when I drive right here. Hey, get out of the road, dude. Get out of here right now. Come on, dude. Get out of here. Beep. Come out of here, white boy. No. You're going to get out of your car right now. Huh? What? I said what? Hello? Hey, boy. Where'd you get your name? Hey, boy. Hey, white boy. Hey, white boy. Get out of the car right now. Don't pick and swear on me. Get out of here. Jerk. I thought so, white girl. I'm out of here. I'm doing good. Give me a couple minutes, okay? Whoa. Something's getting out of the car and start a fight. What did you say? Take a picture. Close your freaking door. Who are you? Touching my door, so you need to get out of my face. Beep. Beep.